And thank you for joining us on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway. And just a few minutes ago, you saw the wonderful meal that Miss Marie made for me. And she continued in the kitchen. And she continued to cook. And she cooked herself a wonderful meal. How come I didn't get a good meal like that?
How come I didn't get a good meal like that?
Look how delicious this is. Wow. I didn't get okra. I didn't get squash. I didn't get roasted peppers. Wow. Look at that. Onions, squash, roasted peppers, sausage, okra. Oh my goodness. Spices. Really nice looking. Oh, really delicious. You think doesn't that look good, Joe?
Looks really good. I'd like to have a mouthful of that.
So would I. What happened? I ordered from the menu. I guess I didn't get what I wanted. And she has nice fresh jasmine rice. Look at that. Fresh jasmine rice. Not Uncle Ben's. We don't do Uncle Ben's here. We do You want the best, you get Thai jasmine rice. Best flavor all the time. Now tell me, does that not look delicious? I told you Miss Marie knows how to cook. And then she has... Is that cucumber? That's cucumber. Look at that, and onion, red onion, and all sorts of good juices and love all over that thing. Look at that. Man, all I got was meat and taters. What happened? I guess she rustled up some grub just for her. Tell me that doesn't look like a great meal. Beautiful. You can't find this anywhere in this area. No food like this. This is something you've got to do at home, because this is something that takes care and knowledge how to cook, because all these ingredients you just can't find here, not even at the Asian restaurants. This is specialty, and Miss Marie has got it all figured out. Yes, she does. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look like a great meal to sit down to on a Tuesday afternoon. Nice, nice. Give you another close-up of that. That's, what type of squash is that again? Butternut squash. Butternut squash, yes. And roasted peppers. Oh my goodness. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Miss Marie, yep, she gets it. She rustled up some grub and she did a great job. And I think Joe likes it too.
I really, really, really like it a lot.
Thanks for joining us on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway. You can do this too. Getting lots of people saying they want Miss Marie to do a cooking show. So, tell you what, why don't you send messages on our comments if you want Miss Marie to cook these type of meals and show you how to do it step by step. And then you too can have a dish like this sitting right in front of you. Can't find it any restaurant here in the Smoky Mountains. The only one you can find it at is the Casa de Cuckoo here on Vacation Station TV. Thanks for joining us. And of course, we'll see you again very, very soon.